We have some breaking news coming in. Indian Americans protest outside the UN in New York against attacks on Hindus in Bangladesh. Amid rising anti-Hindu violence in Bangladesh, Indians in the US hit the streets. Indian Americans demand justice amid rising tensions. That's the latest breaking news we're getting. Indian Americans protest outside the UN in New York against attacks on Hindus in Bangladesh. Amid rising anti-Hindu violence in Bangladesh, Indians in the US hit the streets. Indian Americans demand justice amid rising tensions.
I have gotten a lot of reports on the atrocities in Bangladesh. The attacks on the minority Hindus is totally unacceptable. I am in touch with the State Department and authorities across the world. I am on top of it, and we will not stop until all of these things is addressed. We need justice for the minority Hindus and all these heartbreaking activities. This has to stop.
Right. This, of course, refers to the protests that have been ongoing in Bangladesh. Anti-quota protests, which actually led to an ouster of the then Prime Minister, Sheikh Hasina. There have been violent clashes in Bangladesh, which have resulted in persecution of the minorities, specifically the Hindu minorities in Bangladesh. And now Indians in the US have hit the streets demanding for justice for Hindus in Bangladesh. Indian Americans protest outside the UN in New York against attacks on Hindus in Bangladesh. Amid rising anti-Hindu violence in Bangladesh, Indians in the US have hit the streets and they demand justice amid rising tensions. Hindus, who make up about 8% of Bangladesh's population of about 170 million, have been targeted in the protests that have been going on in Bangladesh. Bangladesh remains on the edge as violence against minorities rises. Several Hindus in Dhaka took to the streets in massive outrage over the persecution of minorities. The Hindus are demanding protection against the attacks. Hindu community has also sought 10% seats in the parliament for them and a dedicated minority ministry. Desperate Hindu citizens in Bangladesh were seen at the India-Bangladesh border near Cooch Behar in West Bengal. India has ramped up BSF deployment to beef up border security. Meanwhile, India has raised concerns over the attacks. The interim government has assured India that immediate action will be taken to curb the violence.
धन्यवाद सभापति जी। मैं आपका आभारी हूं क्योंकि जो हमारे पड़ोसी मुल्क बांग्लादेश में हाल ही में घटा उसको लेकर हम सब लोग चिंतित भी हैं और सभी राजनीतिक दलों ने एक स्वर में बात भी कही कि वहां पर जो अपने लोग हैं उनकी भी चिंता की जाए। माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने भी ट्वीट करके जो इंटरिम गवर्नमेंट के प्रधानमंत्री हैं उनको बधाई भी दी, लेकिन ये भी कहा कि हमारे जो वहाँ पर हिंदू और अल्पसंख्यक हैं उनकी शांति, सुरक्षा और विकास सबको सुनिश्चित किया जाए। लेकिन दुर्भाग्य ये है सर कि नेता प्रतिपक्ष और कांग्रेस पार्टी के अध्यक्ष ने ट्वीट जब किया या उनको बधाई जब दी तो हिंदुओं की वहां पर सुरक्षा की कोई बातचीत नहीं की, ना ही उसका उल्लेख किया, ना ही अल्पसंख्यकों की सुरक्षा की बात की। ऐसी कौन सी मजबूरी थी कि ये लोग वहां पर हिंदुओं और अल्पसंख्यकों की सुरक्षा की बात भी नहीं कर सके। गाजा को लेके आपने बड़ी बड़ी बातें की, गाजा को लेके आप बड़ी बड़ी बातें करते थे, लेकिन यहाँ पर आकर आप नहीं करते हो।